day. It's a beautiful day today, man. Alright, I'm being random as shit, but here's what's happening. Today's the day where the car is gonna be finished. Alright? The car is gonna be done. No more waiting for parts, no more nothing. I don't know how fucking well I'm keeping this on my face, but listen. I got white shorts on. I can't do this. Listen. You there? Yeah, if you still here, man, guess what? We made it. Look at that, man. But he said, look at this. Headed, he texted me telling headed to shop. He already here.
No, I'm just saying, you getting the car back, because I'm just saying. Like,
yes, sir. So I got a detail guy, he gonna be coming too. He gonna fix me up Monday, gonna get it to the tune shop Tuesday. Hell yeah. Definitely need a tune, baby. That is deep. Yes, sir. Definitely a little bit louder too. I about forgot what it looked like on the ground. Yeah. Put them 5-inch tips on there, man. Woo! I kind of want to do that Monday. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, man, so really, all thing I'm gonna do, very first thing in the morning, I'm gonna play that touch time off, raise that exhaust. Like everybody that's some type of car enthusiast, I mean, any type of vehicle, motorcycles,
in here getting it.
Bro, everybody.
You know what? Because that's the only fucking thing. This is the only thing in the world that's fun right now. Be honest.
Yeah, because everybody that I talked to, everybody been pretty much closed in the past year and a half or whatever because of COVID.
Yeah.
And I think
it's
gonna be the first year that we gonna have Mustang Week in 2 years.
Yeah, that's gonna be, that's gonna be lit.
Oh yeah, everybody is really trying to get these rides right.
Well, shit, man.
And they doing it.
Hey, let me tell you.
They doing it.
I think I should go ahead and get them axles though. Talking about putting it down. I'm torn, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm torn between the stroking and the axles.
I'm gonna tell you, man. What you just did, I would put the stroker off to next year.
All right, bet.
I would.
Cause if it did go off to next year, then it'll be alongside something. Maybe that'd probably just be my first step to see how that goes.
I think
I just want to go home with this thing. For real. But yeah, man, y'all got to start up.
Hey, I think the boy gonna be glad to ride by here tomorrow and see your car off the lift.
Hell yeah.
You're gonna be like, man, I can finally get my oil changed.
This nigga.
Yeah, so like I said, tomorrow when I get here, I'm just gonna double check a few things. I'm definitely gonna pull that up. I want to check the rocker arms. I want to make sure they tight and recheck the fluid. I'm actually gonna go get this power steering fluid and do that before I go home. Yeah, matter of fact, also on May 22nd, the Mustang Club is having a thing up here.
You know, I'm gonna be idling around with a target on my back.
Exactly. Make sure you save the date, May 22nd.
Yeah.
So, but I'm gonna be down there for most part of the morning, and